Okay, practice problem 4. This one also has 2 parts, so let's get started. We are trying to find the measure. Ooh, that is not what I need. My bad. We're trying to find the measure of angle 1 if angle 6 is 118. So these are kind of the easier ones when they just go ahead and tell us one of the angles, because the first thing you're going to do, if you remember, is we're going to fill in all the angles that are 118 degrees. I'm going to start with angle 8, which is vertical to 6. It's 118. Then I'm going to go to 2, which is corresponding to 6, which means it's congruent and 118. Then I'm going to go to 3, which is alternate exterior to 6. So these are my 4 angles that are 118 degrees. That does not include angle 1. So to find angle 1, it's supplementary. So I'm just going to subtract 118 from that, and it is 62 degrees. So the measure of angle 1 is 62 degrees. There is a part B. So for part B, angle 5 is 5x, and angle 1 is 100. So it's not the same numbers anymore, all right? Different numbers. 100 degrees. I can't do the degree symbol when typing. So what's the value of x? Angle 1 and angle 5 are congruent because they are corresponding. Since they are congruent, I set them equal to each other. So 5x equals 100. I isolate the variable by dividing, and I get x equals 20 degrees. This time, that was the question. So we're done.